News highlights of the day. Guwahati ranks as India's fastest growing destination for international tourists. Qatar Airways to resume flights to Damascus. Odisha gears up for 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas with grand preparations and cultural showcase. EVA Air tops global aviation ESG rankings, joins Dow Jones Sustainability Index for emerging markets. Sterling Brookstone Coorg, a serene escape into nature and heritage. Reviving the Gaza envelope, Israel's tourism initiative to boost economy and global image. Now news in detail.
Guwahati has emerged as the fastest growing destination for international tourists visiting India, according to Agoda's New Horizons ranking. This annual list, which evaluates accommodation booking trends over 2 years.
Qatar Airways has announced the resumption of 3 weekly flights to Damascus, Syria, starting 7th January 2025. This move underscores the airline's commitment to fostering regional connectivity and meeting passenger demand.
The Odisha government is leaving no stone unturned to ensure the success of the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas (PBD) convention, scheduled to take place in Bhubaneswar from January 8 to 10, 2025.
EVA Air has achieved a significant milestone in its sustainability journey by debuting on the Dow Jones Sustainability Indices (DJSI) Emerging Markets Index. Recognized as the top performer among 61 airlines.
Sterling Holiday Resorts has launched its latest property, Sterling Brookstone Coorg, offering a serene retreat amidst the verdant hills of the Western Ghats.
You are watching Travel World Online.